To blank out the menu, you simply swipe down on the touch screen to let the menu disappear, and you can swipe up to blend it in again. And if you want to see everything you've shot on the SmartFinder Pro, you simply swipe to the left and you directly get into the gallery. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any future videos. If you have any questions about any IBE optic products, just let us know in the comment section. For more information about the SmartFinder Pro, make sure to check out the link in the description, or you can check out all the other videos in our SmartFinder Pro playlist, which you can find right here. That's it for today. See you next time. Servus.